Really, our whole vision and mission centers around 3 words because we get it. We're all about growth, empowerment, and transformation for our students, for our adults, and for this community and public education in general. We focus on growth primarily with the programs that we offer our students. We understand that it's not one size fits all, that if destination is graduation, there's different ways to get there. And so we offer different opportunities for growth for our students through the programs we have, and particularly those here at the College and Career Academy. And then for empowerment, to empower somebody is really to give them the skills to take control of their own life. We want people to feel empowered, to make good choices, to make the choices that when they leave us, they're going to be well prepared to go and pursue anything that they want to do with the rest of their life. And of course, transformation, we take all the pieces that we've had forever, but you have to put them together in a different way so that we can reach today's children, because students today aren't like I was when I was in school or even when I first started teaching. Our College and Career Academy was created back in 2014, and it really solidified our partnership with our industry here in Gordon County. And it gave us the platform to bring people around a table to focus on what does our industry need and how can the school system support that in the best interest of our students. We know that our future for Gordon County really lies in our students and our children. We try to make sure students are aware of what opportunities are available in Gordon County, because you think of an industry like Mohawk or Shaw, and those are not just line workers in a factory. You have attorneys, you have nurses in a lot of cases, you have logistics. You have a wide variety of careers within one company. We are very thankful to be a charter school system because of the flexibility it gives us to put the best experts in front of our students. We have flexibility to waive some of the certification requirements so that we can go and look for people in industry that can come here and teach our students at the College and Career Academy in the field they've actually worked in. When we talk about community support, a lot of people automatically see dollar signs, and that's not necessarily what we are looking for. We need physical partnerships of adults that want to mentor our students, businesses that want to open their doors for students to come in and have internship experiences, work-based learning opportunities, and also to serve on our advisory councils. And more, we need more mentors, just great adults to support students. To me, a successful school system looks like Gordon County schools. We have been thriving for the past few years, even when we had a lot of challenges, and the cards sometimes are stacked against us, but we continue to thrive, and it's because of people working together. So a successful school system is focused on collaboration and children. You're focused on students. And as long as you're doing what's best for each individual student, you can't go wrong.